Hey there, here one more time. Gonna do a little carpet repair. Let's go. Here we go. And here, we're going to be restoring some tack strip, some Rebond pad, and here we go. And here, just following the double tack strip they had there. We have our tackless strip, nicely installed and double down. Let's take out this here. And now we got a good fresh, and here we got a perfect cut to a perfect match. And we take the other little cut there, giving us a perfect seam. I'm gonna fix this mess here. And there it is, beautiful. Everything's nicely installed. Padding is very well secured. Now, let's power stretch our carpet. And I got the carpet back. Fasten all this here. Here's my power stretcher. Here's my power stretcher and my tools. Let's see this all. Here it is, nicely installed and power stretched. And we did a little finish here. Just gotta install the baseboard. And let's see how well it cleans. Our proof guard. And here's the final product.